Hello students. Previous class we have seen it types of argument. Now in this lecture we can use it. We can pass array list or function list uh, in a function as a parameter. In a function as a parameter. That is the most important thing. Uh, and how to pass parameters in function. So in Python, basically, it is just like same as C and C++ function. But important thing, how to pass it list or array as an argument in function. That means what I want to say, whatever functions we are creating. So in this is the argument. Whatever argument we have to pass it in the function, this is called argument. And in this argument, we can pass array as a list, function as list, this type of thing we can pass it. So how to create a program, how to understand, let us understand the concept of program. Like this is the program, this program I have created. It is just like same as we have created. First, I have defined def something is the name of the function and the list is the list. I in t list, print I. Whatever variable is there inside the list, it will print it. Now, how to pass it? Here we have call function. Call function. Here we have defined function. This is called definition. Definition means we have to create the program. Definition means we have to create a program. So this part will create a program. Def function name, function parameter, then enter indentation. This is called indentation. Automatically indentate it. After loop, indentation. So this function will pass argument and print it individually. Now how to pass it? This is calling. First time we are calling. 3 values we have called it. 3 values pass as it is. It will assign into a first 0 position, 1 will print, second 1 2, second 1 position, 2 will print, and third will print. Now how to run it? Two times we have called it. Now see it. Calling as it is called, printed 3 times. Then second a list equals to 3 values, again we have passed it. But here we have to 3 values, we have take it and assign it, and list parameter as argument we have passed it. In this situation, all 3 parameters pass at a single one. This is the difference. So we have called it 2 times. This is second time calling. Second time calling it. So I hope it will clear it. Now same thing we can same program we can use it with some changes. I'm calling one time and change it. Now what I change it, I'll print it directly. Now I'll pass it numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7. 7 numbers we have passed it, and as it is, we have passed it. I is not defined. Till is. This will print it. I'll close it, then run it. So it will be better understanding the things. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. List we have passed it. This value will be assigned into this. This will pass it. This will copy into this and print it. It will print. In this situation, I have not used it loop. So I hope clear the concept. Now next. Pass a string. String can be passed as a function argument, but it is a pass by value. Now there are two types of value: pass by value and pass by reference. Reference we have to pass it address, but here pass by value, it can be deprecated from below program. Deprecated means older version we have used it, as it will not change value at actual argument. Def keyword welcome title. Title is an argument. Title equals to hello plus title. R equals to Mohan. Welcome R and print R. So R means Mohan will copy it. So hello Mohan will print it in this situation. And second one, print R, Mohan will print it. Now see how to run it this program. String s function. strfunct title title equals to hello title. One another string, I will assign it string Nilesh. Str will print. Here str will copy, hello str will print it. I'll run it this program. Indentation will not run it. Hello Nilesh. I'll run it again. Yeah. Now, if we all want to directly print it in main program, I'll write it print. In this situation, only Nilesh will print it. Function will not call. Only Nilesh will print. And again, if we can also directly pass it str function and we can directly pass it string rankers. Hello rankers. Now call and second time call. Second, this is now third one is tuple. How to pass tuple? In this program function call, we have to actually in both the situation string as an argument pass it in function and list will pass it in function. Now tuple we have to explicitly define pass the tuple. It is not required to specify the data type as tuple. This is the main thing. वैसे तो data type किसी में भी सब में जरूरत नहीं रहती है, but here tuple we have to define. But tuple define करने के लिए simple bracket use we have to use it. The simple bracket we have to use it in tuple. That is the most important thing. Now how to define it? पहले first we understand it. This is function diff. Diff is the keyword. Max is the name of the function. MyTuple is the variable. First comma second equals to MyTuple. अब वो दोनों argument, these two argument directly pass it MyTuple. First greater than second, return first, else second. So greatest of two number का find out program है. We are passing it through tuple. Tuple से हम पता कर रहे हैं इसको. अब उसको हम देखें tuple से. ये R31. This 31 parameter pass it is it. अब tuple 3 और 1 इसमें आ गया. 3 will be first, 1 will be second. First will greater than second. Yes, so return first. Otherwise return second. Now we will create it so that we can understand properly. हम उसको properly tuple. अब tuple कैसे define करना है? Tuple. यहाँ हम दे देते हैं max 3. My number करके हम आर्ग्यूमेंट दे देते हैं. First comma second equals to my num. If f greater than s, return f, else colon return s. अब इसको कॉल करना फंक्शन में मेन प्रोग्राम में. We can directly pass it. वेरिएबल ले लेते हैं ans equals to 15,1 और हम डायरेक्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट भी पास कर सकते हैं, बट वी विल पास इट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. रिजल्ट इक्वल्स टू मैक्स 3 पास करा और आंस एज इट इज पास कर दिया. You can also pass directly 3, 1. फिर print result. अब ये जो प्रोग्राम ये एज इट इज कॉल हुआ, कैसे कॉल करेगा? 15, 1 will be assigned into this one. तो फिर एफ एस, तो एफ विल बी 15, एस विल बी 1. एफ ग्रेटर देन एस, रिटर्न एफ, तो 15 विल रिटर्न. एक वैल्यू रिटर्न हो गया, रिटर्न आउटपुट आएगा. Even you can also input n1 s2 second. Into pass करना. So whatever number is greater, it will assign it. This is the passing of tuple. A first number 54, 85. Second number will be greater. Now this is the meaning of how to pass function tuples in argument. That is the most important thing. Now here we are passing dictionary. Again, that is the most important thing. In Python, everything is an object. So the dictionary can be passed as an argument to a function like other variable is passed. Dictionary. In dictionary, there are two things: key values, key and values against it. So def function d for key in d, print key value d key. Now we can run it. mydict a1 b2 c3 function. Now I am explaining it. Def function name is fund, d is dictionary. Next key is the variable in d. Whatever d dictionary is there, it will assign in. Print key. Key means first variable. Value means second value. D key. First position पे कौन सी value? The first position value is 1. Second position value is 2. Third position value is 3. A, B, C. A is the key. B is the key. C is the key. The directly dictionary assign it and single variable assign it into D. So my dict will be copied into D. That is the most important thing. Now we understand the concept. As dictionary. My dictionary. For I in, I'll take it I. या की ले लो की. Key in my D. My dictionary. Print key and then value then my d bracket में key. Why I am taking this? This is the position. My key मतलब my 0. यहाँ पे मैं my dict ले लेता हूँ. My dictionary equals to P1 key, second Q2 R3 S4. अब फंक्शन कॉल कर रहा हूं मैं FUNCT and my dict MYDICT. Now how to run it? This my dict will be copied into my dict key in I. ये एक loop ले लिया will key in I. All values will be assigned into K. That means this one P1. तो यहाँ P, this is P. Now my key is that is 0. 0 position मतलब 1. तो first पे P1 Q2 R3. Invalid इसलिए कि we have not used it colon. My dict is not defined. My करेक्ट है की डबल कोट्स की object is not subscribable FUNTC. डायरेक्ट प्रिंट कर दो नहीं तो MYDICT प्रिंट ही डायरेक्ट कर देता हूँ। वन टू थ्री फोर ABCD ये आया इसका। Now we'll run it. This will print it. वो ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ प्रिंट करने में प्रॉब्लम जा रहा है। तो आई थिंक द कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर। I hope you clear it, the concept of dictionary. Here, why it is not printing? Because key value is defined in array list. So that's why it's not passing it. Okay, if you have any query, you can ask in comment section. Thank you very much.